If you want to make money like this channel, then you will be at the right video. Beginning a new YouTube channel is hard. Purchase that costly camera and light, make yourself a studio space and start shooting many recordings, and afterward you get zero perspectives for quite a long time, not making adequate thumbnails that individuals click. No one thinks often about the specialty that you're in, and afterward you tell your loved ones you're going to get such a lot of money flow on YouTube. However, you've been pursuing for a considerable length of time and you don't indeed even make enough to cover food. These are the brutal real factors of beginning a new YouTube channel, yet the uplifting news is that there is an answer for everything. In this video I'll share you in the background. Check out how you can get a low measure of perspectives, however make a great deal of cash from it. I'm likewise going to show you how to make excellent recordings without agonizing over the recording or lighting arrangement. You can, as a matter of fact, do this without showing your face and with no past video experience, yet this possibly works in case you're a diligent employee, you're tireless and you know how to utilize a PC productively. First, go the computer. If you cannot subscribe my channel, please subscribe it or click the bell icon for more videos. And if you like this video, then like this video. The channel I show you is done very successfully, and there is the trick how they done it and how to create it. Simple compilation videos. The channel is called Trend Royale, and you can see this channel is verified by YouTube and they accept you content what you produce or what you create on this platform. Now you can see they got 151,000 subscribers. And now if you can click sort by and newest date added, and you can see that which type of videos he create. He usually create compilation videos mostly. Now you can if click date added oldest. Now you can see that their oldest video is 7 months ago, which means that this channel is not too old. This channel is from 2021. Now you can see their every video's views, which is very best. Some videos get 100,000 plus views. Now you can see you can also make better than this videos. I show you how you can get these videos and which is best software for editing.
Welcome to Trend Royale. Watch as this blind man skates using only his cane. Like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds for a week of
Now if we see their stats in Social Blade. Now you can see their last 30 days views as 348,000 plus views, which is good. Now you can see their monthly estimate earning is up to $87 to $1,000, which is not bad. And their yearly estimate is also good. Now you can see their daily videos views 12,000, 14,000, 23,000 views on every videos. You can also make better than this if you hard work. Now go to the Google and search TikTok. Now open the TikTok website. Now you can get TikTok videos from here without any copyright strike or copyright claim. Or even you can download videos from here without watermark, which is even more better. First you can sign up the account more get videos. Now after that you can search hashtag instant karma on the search bar, and click on the videos, because we need videos. Now you can see there is a lot of videos, many of videos you can get. Now see many video which you want to download. I use this videos. Now you can see this video is 30 seconds. Now you can copy the link. Now go to the Google search TikTok video download, open the first link. Now you can paste the link. Now you can see that you can download without watermark. Now this is the second website which is best. I recommended you can use this website for downloading videos without watermark. Now for editing software, I recommended you the Filmora 10, which is best software for editing for YouTube. Now you can just upload the video on the YouTube with best keywords. Now check my description for videos and ideas like this.